This is Simple Ukulele. We're in the Essentials of Ukulele Book 2, page 28, example 46. We're playing Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. It's in the key of C, but the 1B is a B flat, which is the fourth system second measure. So watch out for that. The melody is broken up across the words and rhythms because the reggae rhythm is very much an offbeat or an upbeat feel. A lot of things not where you would expect them on the beat. So for that reason, I'm going to count in and then sing with the melody so that you can keep track of where you are. And we'll start on the fourth beat of that first pickup measure. So nice and slow, Three Little Birds. 1, 2, 3. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds perched on my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you." Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Saying, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright.